it's Jennifer, and it is day 22 of my Advent. So let's take a look, and here is day 22. Let's open it up, see what's inside. It looks like a chomp. Fingers don't want to pull it out. It is a chomp. So we got a chomp, and the doors say, "What's the cat doing?" So, find the cat. That's the cat at the top. Right there. There's the cat. Alright. And next we have our tea, which is hibiscus rose. Boy, that doesn't want to come in. A blend of hibiscus rose, cardamom, and fennel. It says it is 38% hibiscus, 19% cardamom, 14% fennel, 10% chamomile, 5% star anise, 5% rose petals, 5% blue corn flower, and 4% rose extracts. And I don't like star anise, so I will not be trying it. Just so you guys know. So don't get excited if I don't try it. And next we have Southern Skeins. Let me try to get this one open. They wrapped that one good. And here is Southern Skeins. It's grays with blue. That's very nice. I like that. And next we have our Paw Ply. And let's get this one out, and let's see. It is, Christmas cocktail. Oh, it makes me think of cocoa. And that is very much a cocktail. And actually, we could put them both together. They look really good together. I like that. So, we got both of these, and I just had the tea in my hand. And the tea. So this is for day 22. Stay tuned for day 23. Stay safe, be kind to one another, and happy yarning. Bye now.